We'll guide you through how to connect in Figma using the latest methods and UI elements. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma on your desktop to get started. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and click on the share button. This will allow you to invite others to view or edit your project. In the dialog box that appears, you can enter email addresses of the people you want to connect with. Make sure to select the appropriate permissions. Whether you want them to view or edit, after entering the email addresses, click Send Invite. Your collaborators will receive an email invitation to join the project. If you want to connect more efficiently, you can also use Figma's built-in comments feature. Simply click on the comment icon on the toolbar, then click anywhere on your design to leave a comment. This is especially useful for real-time collaboration and feedback. Another great way to connect is by using Figma's real-time multiplayer editing. This feature allows multiple people to work on the same file simultaneously, making collaboration seamless. You can see your team members' cursors moving around the canvas, and any changes they make will appear instantly. Don't forget, if you're working with a team, you can create a Figma team. This feature allows you to organize your projects, share files, and manage permissions easily. Just click on Teams in the sidebar and follow the prompts to set it up. Remember, connecting with others in Figma is all about sharing access, leaving comments for feedback, and collaborating in real time to make your design process smooth and efficient. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.